good today? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling great? You feeling wonderful? Oh, wow, that's good, that's good. It's me, Master Ken. I'll see you again. Now, everybody, let's do our good morning song, okay? Put your hands up in the air and sing and dance with me. All right, let's go. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Everybody say, I'm good. I'm great. Wonderful. One more time. Everybody say, I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Everybody say, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. One more time. Everybody say, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? That's very good, brother. I hope everybody is feeling good, great, and wonderful today. Oh, talk about today. Do you know what day it is today? Oh yes, that's right. Oh, but how many days are in a week, you know? Let's count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are in a week? 7 days are in a week. Why don't we sing that one together? One more time. 7 days are in a week. Oh, how many days are in a week? That's right, 7. 7 days are in a week. Okay, what is the first day of the week? That's right, it is Sunday. Sunday. Everybody say Sunday. Oh, my favorite day. Because Sunday, I love going shopping. Do you like Sunday? Good. Do you know what color Sunday is? Well, each day has a color. And what color is Sunday? Is it yellow? Oh, is it white? No, what is it? Yes, it is red. Red. Sunday is red. Very good. What comes after Sunday? Ooh, that's right. Monday. It's the first weekday, the day that you have to go to school. Are you happy? Going to school, seeing friends, playing games, lots of fun? Yes. Yes, and what color is Monday? That's right. Yellow. Yellow. Monday is yellow. That's good. Well done. Do you like Mondays? Oh, yes, I love Mondays. Yeah, I can see all my students, and that's great because we are going to have a good time together all day Monday. Next, what comes after Monday? That's right, Tuesday. Tuesday. What color is Tuesday? Oh, that's right. Tuesday is pink. Pink. Sunday is red, Monday is yellow, Tuesday pink. Okay, do you like Tuesday? Do you like the color pink? Yes, I do. I love the color pink. Look at my shirt. There's pink on it. All right. Next, what comes after Tuesday? Oh, wow, that's right. How did you know? How did you guess? It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Do you like Wednesday? Yes, I do. It is Wednesday. Who doesn't like Wednesday? And what color is Wednesday? That's right. That's right. You guessed it. Wednesday is green. Green. Wednesday is green. Where can you find the color green? Well, the color green is everywhere. Look around us. You can see flowers, you can see trees. All of them are green. That's great. Next, what comes after Wednesday? Is it Tuesday? No, it's not Tuesday. What day is it then? Oh, Thursday. Thursday. That's right. And be careful to get mixed up between Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thursday. What color is Thursday? That's right. Thursday is orange. Orange. Do you like orange? The color? What about the fruit? Do you like orange, the fruit as well? Oh, that's great. That's great. Next, what comes after Thursday? Friday. Friday. Do you like Fridays? Oh, I love Fridays. Fridays are my pizza day. Oh, I eat pizza every Friday evening. It's good, but don't do it too often. You will get fat like Master King. And what color is Friday? That's right. Friday is blue. Blue. Everybody say blue. Do you like blue? Oh, I love blue. That's why I've got blue on my shirt as well. Where can you find the color blue, you asked? Well, it's easy. If you're standing outside of your house, look up in the sky and you see blue. What can you see? That's right. You see a wonderful blue sky. Oh, that's right. Well done. And what comes after Friday? Oh, Saturday. Saturday. That's right. Do you like Saturdays? Oh, I enjoy Saturdays. It's my holiday where I stay at home, do some cleaning, drinking tea, and reading some books. Oh, I enjoy my Saturday, alright? What color is Saturday? That's right. Purple. Purple. That's great. Well done. Well done. So that's it for all the 7 days in a week. You want to sing that song? Alright, that's great. That's great. What we have to do is we have to count. Count along with me, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are in a week? 7. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. Oh, 7 days are in a week. Now let's sing this song together. But don't forget, you will have to do the action as well. Don't forget to count along, sing along, and dance along. Okay? You know how to clap? Everybody do clap. Clap. That's right. Well done. Well done. I like to clap it up. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. Okay? Next, stomp. Everybody stomp. Look at your legs. Stomp. Stomp. That's right. Stomp. I like to stomp it out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. That's right. Very good. Very good. Now, are you ready to sing a song? Okay, that is good. That is great. Let's get ready. Are you ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Let's clap. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp it out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. Oh, did you have fun today? Well done. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was great. I hope everybody is feeling wonderful. Okay, but it's time to say goodbye. Oh, so don't forget to come into Coaching English Facebook page. You see me, Master Ken Live. Alright, everybody, it's time to say goodbye. So let's sing our goodbye song together. You ready? If you happy and you know it, say goodbye, goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, say bye-bye, bye-bye. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, say